Welcome to World Code Updates, your daily briefing on everything happening around the world, August 2025. We are not alone. Webb Telescope detects strong biosignatures on Earth-sized exoplanet. This wasn't just another science headline. It was the answer to a question humanity has asked for centuries. Are we alone? The news hit with a seismic shock, dominating every screen and conversation worldwide. The name Kepler 186f, once obscure, was suddenly on the lips of billions. Overnight, this distant world became the most famous place in the universe. It marks a turning point in human history, a day the cosmos revealed one of its deepest secrets. The search is over, but the real journey has just begun. This discovery is more than data, it's a fundamental shift in our cosmic perspective. For all of history, Earth was our only example of a living world, making us feel both special and isolated. The findings from Kepler 186f shatter that isolation, placing us in a larger cosmic context. Life may not be a miracle unique to us, but a natural outcome of the universe's chemistry. Think of Copernicus and Galileo. This discovery stands with theirs, redefining our place in the cosmos. We are no longer the sole proprietors of life. We are part of a galactic community, even if we're the only ones building telescopes so far. The universe just got bigger, more interesting, and a lot less lonely. This is the story of how we found our first living neighbor. The world changed in an instant, and nothing will ever be the same. Kepler 186f, an exoplanet orbiting a distant star, was discovered in 2014, already famous for being Earth-sized and in the habitable zone. For years, it was just a tantalizing dot, its atmosphere a mystery. Then, the James Webb Space Telescope turned its golden eye toward it. Webb watched for a transit when the planet passed in front of its star, letting starlight filter through its atmosphere. This light carried a chemical fingerprint, revealing the planet's secrets. The data was breathtaking. A cocktail of gases pointing overwhelmingly to a living, breathing biosphere. Not ancient fossils, but a world alive right now under a distant red sun. Scientists checked and rechecked, ruling out non-biological explanations. The signal was clear. We have found the chemical signs of life. Kepler 186f is no longer just a candidate, it's our first confirmed living world. The universe as we knew it is gone. Today, it teems with possibility. The real question now, what is that life like? The dawn of a new era has begun. How did we peer across 500 light years and sniff the air of another world? The answer: the James Webb Space Telescope. Webb's massive gold-plated mirror collects faint, distant light, but its true power is in the infrared. As light travels across the universe, it stretches into the infrared. Webb is built to capture it. This lets it analyze exoplanet atmospheres, detecting molecules like water, methane, and carbon dioxide. Webb's instruments are kept at frigid temperatures by a tennis court-sized sun shield, blocking heat from the sun, Earth, and Moon. Before Webb, we could only guess if distant planets were barren or alive. Webb bridges that gap. Its discovery on Kepler 186f is the fulfillment of its mission. Thousands of scientists and engineers made this possible. The impossible is now reality. The evidence from Kepler 186f is a collection of chemical clues painting a picture of a living planet. First, massive amounts of water vapor, suggesting oceans and clouds. Next, both oxygen and methane, which react and destroy each other unless constantly replenished. On Earth, that's life's doing. Webb also detected dimethyl sulfide, a molecule produced almost exclusively by marine life on Earth. Its presence hints at vast alien oceans teeming with biology. The lack of carbon monoxide, which life tends to consume, further supports the case. This suite of gases, water, oxygen, methane, DMS, and specific carbon ratios, makes the case for life overwhelming. It's the chemical symphony of a breathing world, not just a single clue, but a chorus of evidence. Kepler 186f is alive, the universe just got more interesting, and we have the proof. Imagine standing on Kepler 186f, orbiting a red dwarf star. The sky glows dim red, like perpetual twilight. The star looms large, casting a dusky light. Oceans stretch vast and dark, reflecting the star's hue. Vegetation, adapted to low light, might be deep purple, red or black, nothing like Earth's green. The planet is likely tidally locked, with one side always facing the star, the other in darkness. Life would thrive in the twilight ring between extremes, where temperatures are mild and water flows. The air would carry the scent of alien oceans, and storms might rage between light and dark. It's a world both familiar and profoundly alien, alive in its own unique way. What have we found? And what haven't we? The evidence points to a planet-wide biosphere, teeming with alien plants, algae or microbes. This is nature's grand symphony, playing out on a galactic scale. But there's no sign of technology, no radio signals, no city lights, no artificial structures. Kepler 186f is a world of forests and oceans, not factories or starships. The question of intelligent life remains unanswered. For now, we've found a planetary nature preserve, a pure biological world. The leap from life to intelligence may be vast. Perhaps we're the first to reach this stage. Before astronomers, there must be algae. Kepler 186f's story is about foundational life, not science fiction aliens. The universe is fertile ground for nature to flourish, and that is profound. For millennia, we believed we were alone. Earth, the only living world in a vast empty cosmos. That cosmic loneliness shaped our identity and our sense of importance. On August 14th, 2025, that changed forever. The discovery of life on Kepler 186f ends our isolation. We have found a sibling, distant but real. Life is not a fluke, it's a feature of the cosmos. Earth is now one example among many. Every star is a potential sun for another living world. The Milky Way likely teems with thousands, maybe millions of living planets. We are part of a galactic ecosystem. This realization is humbling and exhilarating, a paradigm shift for humanity. Our struggles seem smaller, but our story is bigger. The loneliness is over. We are now inhabitants of a living universe. Finding life elsewhere forces us to see ourselves and Earth anew. We are custodians of one of two known living worlds. Our responsibility to protect our planet has never been clearer. This discovery should unite us. Our divisions seem petty in the face of a living cosmos. We are all Earthlings, sharing a fragile spaceship. The discovery is a global overview effect, a new perspective for all humanity. Our world is rare and precious. We must preserve its unique symphony of life. This moment should inspire a renaissance of science, art and philosophy. We are part of a living universe. The question now, what will we do with this knowledge? This discovery is not an ending, but a spectacular beginning. Now the search for life will accelerate. Kepler 186f is just the first. The age of comparative exoplanetology has begun. In a world often filled with conflict, this is a beacon of wonder. It's a testament to what we can achieve together, driven by curiosity. The journey to Kepler 186f is one we make with light, not rockets. It's a destination for our minds and spirits. It will inspire new generations of scientists, artists and dreamers. The search for life has succeeded. Now the adventure of understanding it begins. Let this be the moment we choose a better future. We are the species that found life on another world. Let us act worthy of this knowledge, protect our home, unite as a species, and step forward into a living cosmos. The stars are calling, and for the first time, we know someone is home.